This tutorial walks you through the sign-up process for our Glogster account. If you follow the guidelines here, we will be better able to assist you if you need technical support. Standardized usernames also help us with assigning groups and enable us to manage our school accounts for the long term. Start by visiting the main site, which is at edu.glogster.com. Click the Get Started button to begin creating your account. Choose Educator or Student, depending on the role you have at the Faculty of Education. Regardless, do not choose Personal, as that bypasses our Education Library account and creates a login that you will have to pay for. We will choose Student in this tutorial, but the process is the same either way. Start by entering our Education Library school code. It is 874962. Next, you create a username. We ask that you use a naming convention that includes the year you start and the year you expect to finish, followed by the letters MUN, and finally, your MUN username. The sample user shown starts in 2020 and expects to graduate in 2023. The MUN username in this case is MAB021. And so, here is the username. Don't worry if this sounds complicated. The sample username and the school code are both copied to the content page for the tutorial. You can copy-paste the school code if you like and use the sample username as a template. Now, enter a password and click the green box to create your account. You will then be prompted to enter your first and last name. Clicking Save Changes completes the process and logs you in for the first time. You can click now to create either a blank glog or start with a template. Notice that the templates are arranged in useful categories. And that's it. The next tutorial in this module walks you through the process of creating your own glog. Click that topic to learn more.